Welcome back to the Loan Arranger Radio Show. You got Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage. Yeah, we had a lot of things to talk about. Interest rates, they came down a little bit this week. Then they popped up a little bit. Then they came down and then they popped up. It's very volatile. We're in a schizophrenic market right now. That's what I call it. No offense to anybody out there that's schizophrenic. I don't mean that to be insulting whatsoever. It means that it is all over the place. And, it's funny because we're in a buyer's market because of the amount of inventory. And in some areas, it's behaving like a buyer's market. In some areas, it's just not. I mean, I had several transactions just this week that came in where my clients were bidding on homes that were under multiple offer situations. Now, I do something different than your lender would do because your bank, your Rocket Mortgage, none of these are going to do this. First of all, when you're fully approved with the loan arranger for your financing, that means I have all your documents, I've underwritten your loan, and you're out shopping for a home. I will increase your chances on you getting the winning offer by 7 times. 7 times more. I've done the math. That's what I'm averaging. The reason for that is that most real estate agents know who I am. Most of them do. The experienced ones do. The inexperienced ones, maybe not so much. But here's what I do. I will physically call the listing agent. I will introduce myself. I will let them know that my client is making an offer on their listing. I will let them know that you are fully approved for your financing. I'll guarantee a 21-day close or less. And if I don't close on the closing date on time, I will pay their seller up to $500 a day for every day that we miss the closing. Now, do you think that is going to give you an edge when you're up against a multiple offer situation? 7 times greater on average. Why? Because I'm guaranteeing that I'm going to close on time. I'm guaranteeing you. You want somebody that's got skin in the game? Rocket ain't going to do that for you. Your bank won't even call you back after 3:00 on a Friday. You might get a call at 10:00 on Monday. You're in negotiation on the weekend. You need me, or you need somebody on my team to make that call. Maybe you need an updated pre-approval letter. By the way, all my clients get a call from me that are pre-approved on Thursday, a call and an email from me saying, hey, do you need an updated pre-approval letter? How's the shopping going? Are you out looking at houses? What are you finding? Are you finding houses? Aren't you finding houses? Do you have any questions about your financing? Every Thursday. Reason I do it on Thursday is so you don't call me on Saturday because I'm doing my radio shows on Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, WDBO and 102.5 The Bone. Sunday, WDBO. So 3 shows every weekend. I'm pretty busy and I still make calls and I still help clients on the weekends. I also have a team of people to cater to you. What's the difference? When you come to me, you get guarantees. I guarantee I'll close you on time, or I'll pay the seller and I'll pay the buyer for not closing. I guarantee you no fees ever change. We don't manipulate, alter any fees whatsoever. We have a flat rate fee of $1,490. That's all I charge. $1,490 across the board. Everybody gets a mortgage, pays that. Now, you still have your normal closing costs, but I don't have excessive fees. I'm low in fees. Comparatively, compared to my competitors, I'm much lower than they are. That includes your doc prep, your underwriting, everything. So that's why people come to me. I'm inexpensive, but I'm not cheap. I'm inexpensive. You get more than you paid for when you come with me. You are going to get consulting. You'll get the truth. You won't get lies. You'll get a great rate. You get low closing costs. You close on time. You get great consultation. I call the listing agent to guarantee your sale. So there are a lot of things that we do to help our clients that are guarantees. That's why clients come back to me. You want to work with the loan arranger? Go to webringyouhome.com and get your application started right now. Webringyouhome.com. Or call or text Tampa Bay, 813-213-4009. That's 813-213-4009. Or go to webringyouhome.com. Or Orlando, 407-706-3313. And I'll be happy to help you. You, your friends, your family, purchase, refinance, home equity line of credit, reverse mortgages, DSCR investment properties, bank statement loans for self-employed people, physician loans, 100% financing up to $2 million, refinance, cash out, debt consolidation, VA, FHA streamlines, asset depletion. Man, I got a great loan. You got a ton of money in the bank, but you don't have a lot of income and you want to buy a house. Banks aren't going to talk to you. I'll help you. No problem at all. I want to talk to you about a personal issue that I had, and that was that I struggled with my weight. I found a place after I went to so many weight loss places, so many programs over the years, and they just weren't sustainable. So I found a place called Age Rejuvenation. I met with the folks there. They did extensive blood work. They put me on a program. I lost some weight. They reevaluated the blood, put me, tweaked it, and then the weight starts falling off. Weight starts falling off, just falling off. Listen, I have not stepped foot in the gym. I'm not proud of that, but I haven't stepped foot in the gym and I've lost almost 77 pounds. I'm down to the weight I was when I was in high school. If you're feeling a little chubby, you're not feeling great about yourself, you're looking in the mirror and you don't feel real good about what you're looking at, then help yourself, help a family member, help. It will make a difference. You call me. Listen, menopausal women, joint pain, testosterone therapy, uh, just feeling better. I can tell you this program is absolutely the best I've seen. The best I've seen. And I can tell you, I'll hook you up $100 to get started on the program. And much better than any of these other, Manjaro and, Ozempic programs that people are putting on. They'll use some of the same drugs, but they mix up these different cocktails that help you, and they're all super safe. I've had no side effects. Had a little bit of heartburn for a while. I learned how to adjust to it, take some medication for that. That was it. That was it. I don't have any side effects, and I feel great. So listen, you owe it to yourself. Don't wait till you're just too old to enjoy being thin. Get thin again. Call me now, 407-706-3313 or 813-213-4009. They got locations in Winter Park, Winter Garden, Wesley Chapel, all over Tampa Bay area, all over that area. So you call me, I'll hook you up with Brett, the owner, and his people. They'll get you settled. I guarantee you, you will call me and go, thank you. So many of my listeners have gone, hey, listen, by the way, they're not paying me for this ad. How do you like that? I have not received one dime from them for advertising. I do it because they help me change my life and they can help you too. Then I want to talk about a great builder that I work with, Trinity Family Builders, locations all over Central Florida, from St. Cloud to Leesburg, Umatilla, Eustis area, Claremont, Groveland, beautiful homes. All your closing costs paid when you use the loan arranger. If you're a real estate agent, go out there and visit them. Tell them the loan arranger sent you. But call me first. I'll get you pre-approved, and then I'll get all your closing costs paid and rate buy downs. It's a no-brainer, man. New construction. You want to build on your own lot? You want to find a lot and build on? I got great builders. I can help you, refer you to some great builders. I'm working with a builder down in the Tampa area right now, Tampa Bay. I got builders here in Central Florida. I'm working with Ted Riley Construction, work with John at Eastern Homes. Just Eric Robertson. Just some really good builders here in Central Florida and all the way from Cape Coral to Jacksonville. You want some help? I'll help you. All right. So now, we talked a little bit about builders. We talked about interest rates. Interest rates have come down a little bit. They're doing good, but we had some rocky days in the market. I think their rates are going to get a little bit worse before they get better. So if you're in a position to lock in your rate, probably a really good time to lock in your rate. If you want to get on my VIP watch list to refinance and you want honesty from a lender that won't tell you to refinance right now and tell you not to, I'm the only guy in the business that'll do that. Everybody else will go, I can save you money. I can do it. And then you're going to do it and you're going to do it again and again. It's called churning. It's illegal in the insurance industry, but lenders do it all the time. Don't be duped. Come to me, count on me, put me to the test. If you don't like what I do, fire me. I can tell you, you won't be firing me. You'll be using me. That's my Rate Watch program. Then if you want a real estate agent, call me about my Loan Arranger real estate rebate program. I'll connect you with the best real estate agent in the area that you look to buy or sell in. They will give you up to 25% of their commission back. So rather than paying me for a referral for them, they don't pay me one red penny. They pay you, my listener. I am doing everything I can to help put more money in your pocket. Everything I can. I have a meeting once a week with my team on what we can do to help my clients save money and have a better experience. Every single Wednesday, we do a brainstorming. If you have ideas for me, if you think that there's something I could do better, maybe there's a topic you'd like me to talk about, call me or text me. You got my phone number. Let me know, what topics do you want me to talk about that may be of interest to the rest of my listeners out there? It's important that I give value to you. I don't want to waste your time listening to my show. I told you I'm not a professional radio show talk show host. I'm just a goober that does mortgages. I'm just really good at helping people amass wealth when it comes to real estate. I'm also pretty good at the market. I've done very well in my investments, but I can't give you financial advice on where to put your investments. I can just tell you what I do that's worked well for me. That's something you're interested in, then you should be in relationship with me. I do actually return phone calls. I know a lot of you listeners out there, you listen to me, you go, he ain't going to call me. He's just going to put me with somebody on his team and I'll never hear from him. No, that's not true. It's not true. Now, you're not going to get the president of Rocket, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, your credit union, or anybody else, but you'll get me. And I guarantee you, I know mortgages better than anyone you know. I challenge you to find somebody that knows more about mortgages than I do. Now, I don't know everything. I still learn every day, but my team puts me to the test all the time. And sometimes they dupe me. Sometimes they're like, well, what do you do with this? And I'm like, I used to know the guideline on that, but I don't know if I do now. So sometimes they'll stump me, but not very often. I'm here to make sure that you have a great experience. I'm here to make sure that when you need a mortgage, that you have somebody that you can count on in the business. That's what I'm here for. Bruce Woodburn, the Loan Arranger, 407-706-3313 or 813-213-4009. And was out at doing the show live yesterday in Orlando. So if you came out, see me, great. Hey, listen, let's talk a little bit for just a minute because I only got a little bit more time left. I want to just mention some programs. First of all, I have no overlays on my FHA loans. So any credit score may qualify. I'm not telling you you will, but I don't have overlays like your bank does. VA, don't think USAA and Veterans United are the place to go. I crush them. You have been brainwashed, all you vets. You've been active duty, you've been brainwashed that that's your go-to place. It's not your go-to place. The Loan Arranger is your go-to place. Physician loans, 100% financing, reverse mortgages, USDA, 100%, FHA, 0 down payment, VA, 0 down payment, renovations loan. You want to fix the house out? My neighbor, Steve and Ashley across the street from me, they're like, I hate to move out of the neighborhood, but we've outgrown the house. Well, I'm going to hook them up with my friend Ted. They're going to renovate their house and they get to stay in it. Down payment assistance, construction perms, asset depletion, self-employed bank statement loans. All you folks that are self-employed, call me now for my self-employed bank statement loan. It's phenomenal. You don't need your tax returns. Listen, I want to thank you for joining me today. It was really great. I had a great time with you. I hope that I had some entertainment value, some knowledge, some insight as to what's going on in the market. But write my number down, 813-213-4009 or 407-706-3313 or webringyouhome.com. God bless each and every one.